Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an incredible journey of resurrection as we uncover a classic Nissan 240SX that's been hidden for over 25 years. Imagine stumbling upon a forgotten treasure. This Nissan 240SX was buried under layers of dust and nature, waiting for someone to bring it back to life. Let's take a closer look at what we found. Restoring a classic car is no small feat. From sourcing rare parts to tackling rust and wear, every step is a labor of love. Join me as we navigate the challenges and triumphs of bringing this beauty back to its former glory. And here it is, the fully restored Nissan 240SX, shining like new. It's not just a car, it's a piece of history, ready to hit the road again. Now, let's take it for a spin. Feel the thrill of the open road as we celebrate the revival of this classic beauty. Thanks for joining me on this journey. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What classic car should we